Hey boys and girls, it's me Cherryl from the Boys and Girls Club, and today we're going to do a coffee filter tie-dye. This activity, you're going to need straw, scissors, markers, tape, and some water. Let's get started. First, we're going to color our coffee filter. Use whatever colors you like. Just make sure not to color the tip of the coffee filter. Next, we're going to fold our coffee filter in half, like this. Next, we're going to fold it in half again, like this. And then another half, like this. Then we're going to dip our coffee filter into the water. Then we're going to allow our coffee filter to dry. After our coffee filter is dry, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to snip the end of the coffee filter. Then we open our coffee filter like this, and taking the straw, we push it through. Then we are going to crunch our coffee filter together like this. And then we're going to take a piece of tape and tape it around the straw like this. And we can open our flowers. Beautiful. I hope you like this, and please try it at home and let me know how it turned out. Wasn't that fun to see how you can tie-dye your own coffee filter and create a beautiful flower? Please like and subscribe to this video and try this activity at home. Keep safe and stay home, and see you soon.